Hello guys and welcome back. So let's take our sessions ahead. So a remote repository is extremely similar to our local repository. It's going to contain branches, commits, and all of our tags. But it keeps difference between the remote repository and a local repository is that the remote repository does not have a working copy associated with it. In other words, it's only going to consist .git subdirectory. A remote repository allows people from all over the world to connect with it if given the right access. This just means there is a limitless possibility for you and your team to, instead of you working in same room, you could be working in a different side of the globe. How exciting is that? The next series of videos should be really impactful because the foundation of every Git-based collaboration workflow is the ability to communicate with the remote repository. There are two key commands in Git: git push and git pull. Pushing allows you to publish your local history of commits with the remote repository, whereas pull allows you to see what others have contributed to the project. In the next video, we are going to dive headfirst into the Bitbucket by creating our own central repository. Thank you guys for watching this video.